Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I don't even know exactly how to start this because we have a large case in front of us. I have not opened this up yet, but I went to the post office and checked my box, and there was the little yellow card, basically the thing that you got to come to the front desk because we can't fit it in the box. And the guy brought it out, this enormous box. So the only time that I get a box like that is when I personally order some enormous blade. I wasn't expecting anything, so this was obviously very confusing to me. I turned the box over, and wouldn't you know it, it says Brian Winters on the other side. If you don't know who that is, that's Winter Blade Co. This made the whole package both extremely intriguing and admittedly a little bit intimidating. I was a little alarmed because I realized there could be anything. I got a mystery, huge, long package, my word choice here, from Brian, without him saying anything, without him letting me know it was coming. So, yeah, I thought, oh my gosh, there could literally be anything in there. So I got the initial packaging off of it, and now we have this big, long case, which I'm still trying to fight coughing. I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm going to turn it over here real quick. Thanks so much to Brian for sending this in. He had mentioned sending me a Christmas gift at one point, and I had forgotten about that. So perhaps this is what he meant. On the other side is the only indicator of what it could be. It says Neo Sabers. I don't know anything. I don't know if this is him, if this is a Brian Winters thing, or if this is from some completely different company. I'll put the appropriate links in the description. But I think it's time to just open it up. Now, I don't have a lot of room on this table, so perhaps, depending on what it is, perhaps we need to, move the camera here. So, okay, so let's get this one off here. Okay, I figured it out. You just gotta push that to the left. There we go. This works the same on both sides. Okay! What on earth do we have in here? Oh my goodness, we have some things to to get into. Dude! What is this? Is this a lightsaber? What? Yes. Yes.
Power on.
Oh my goodness, it talks. Oh my goodness. So now what?
Low volume.
Low volume? Holy crap! Oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Oh my gosh. This is the coolest freaking thing I have ever seen. Oh, we gotta play with it in the garage. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, holy shit! This is amazing. It has an application too. Oh, wow. Holy crap. All right. So, let's try a different one.
New horizon.
Okay. Damn! Yellow! Oh boy. This is so freaking cool, man. Every time you push the button, it has like different effects. All the different lights. Oh my god, it's so... This is... If I was a... Man, this compared to what I had when I was a kid... Oh man, we gotta try more of these.
The Chosen.
Blue! Yes. Yes! The power!
Moonfield.
Moonfield? Oh shit, it's rainbow! With rainbow sound effects! I love it.
The second.
Oh, the effects! I can barely hold my camera still. The effects on this thing are so cool. Oh, this is so much cooler than a video game. This is so much cooler.
The learner.
I love all the different little effects. Ah, man. I love that it does something different for every single profile.
The Dark Lord Revisited.
Uh-oh. Whoa! So cool. Oh my gosh. I am so glad my garage door is closed and my neighbors can't see me because it's the middle of the day right now. It is the middle of the day. This is what I'm going to do today. This is all I'm going to do today.
The champion.
Purple. Sick. So cool. Does it have like an all color mode? Okay, it took a sec, but I found it. Ready? Oh my gosh. I can't wait for my kids to get home. This is ridiculous. This is so fun. Look at the light effects. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Brian Winters. Okay, so this is going to bring me hours and hours of entertainment along with my kids, which is great. It will absolutely drive my wife crazy, but that's okay because most of what I do drives her crazy anyway. But I just looked up what this costs. Brian, this was a really, really nice gift, and I feel like you truly understand me. I also feel like you surely own one of these, right? I got on that website. I have no affiliate links. I've never heard of this company before. This isn't an ad, but these things range depending on, I would imagine, the build and the complexity of it. There are versions that are 120, 150, and they go up to like $600-700, maybe even more than that. But this was close to $500. That's a lot of money. For something that is essentially a very, very fancy toy. But I am infinitely grateful. I love this. I think it's really, really cool. And it will almost certainly end up in many different videos. But it comes with the charger and all this other stuff. There's a few screws and things. I did use the screwdriver to sort of tighten this down. It's cool that the blade actually sets in there, and then you use these adjustable fasteners to get it to, stay in place. Apparently, a lot of this stuff can be used for like dueling. Like you can actually go out and sword fight. So it's not that they're just flashy, but they're also meant to be used or played with fairly hard, I guess. I don't know. When I was a kid, we just had the plastic. You just push the button and there was like a dim light and it lasted for 15 minutes. This appears to be obviously a much more high quality item. So I can't wait. The highlight of my day will be sharing this with my kids and letting them play with the iPad application and changing the colors and the sound effects and everything like that. I barely got into the application, but it is all programmable. All of the different modes are programmable. There's even a music mode where the lightsaber will react to the music that's being played from the device it's Bluetooth to. So whoever came up with this had a blast. I think these are really fun. I know that there are people who watch my content who would be interested in this, so I'll link the page down in the description. Obviously, check out Winter Blade Co. You guys are familiar with Brian Winters and his knives, and he makes some really, really awesome stuff. It doesn't surprise me at all that he found these and figured that I would enjoy it as well. This seems like a very Brian Winters thing. So Really cool. Infinitely grateful. Thank you so much. This was fun. I'm glad that I got to share it with everybody. I hope this put a smile on your face. That's going to be it for today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.